wonders of geospatial AI with Geo Lands Doctor. At Geo Lands Doctor, we're committed to preserving India's rich marine life ecosystem. Our cutting-edge geospatial AI technology empowers us to analyze mangroves in pre- and post-water treatment sites like never before. India's coastline is blessed with vibrant mangrove forests, acting as natural protectors against pollution and sea level rise. However, with rising concerns over pollution and its impact on marine life, it's crucial to understand the health of our ecosystems. Enter Geo Lands Doctor's Geospatial AI. Our advanced technology allows us to remotely monitor and analyze mangrove health, pollution levels, and water quality. Our dedicated team of experts employs state-of-the-art drones and satellite imagery to gather real-time data. Our geospatial AI algorithms process this information, generating valuable insights for mangrove analysis and water treatment assessments. With our geospatial AI solutions, we assess the effectiveness of water treatment processes, ensuring cleaner water for marine life and healthier ecosystems. By promoting a healthier marine life ecosystem, Geo Lands Doctor's geospatial AI technology contributes to a sustainable future for India's coastal regions. Join us in safeguarding India's marine life with geospatial AI. Make a difference today. Contact Geo Lands Doctor to explore how our geospatial AI solutions can help protect our precious mangroves, combat pollution, and preserve the beauty of our marine life.